my beautiful people, hope you all are doing good, guys. So in this today's reading we will check about some sexual activities of your partner, like when will be your first time or the next time. Okay, so in this video we will check from the different decks, and one of the good deck from the sexual reading and the sexual feeling. This is the sexual tarot deck. From these deck we will gonna check. Okay, so let's get started from the today's reading. If you are new here, then please, this is request from my side, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and be a beautiful member of this beautiful family, the 111 Tarot English channel. And if you are again you are coming in this channel, then love you a lot, guys. Thank you so much for returning back. Okay, so let's get started from the today's reading. We will check about your first and next time with your partner. How will be that kind of feeling and how will be the aroma of that moment. Okay, so let's get started from these cards. So this is the pile number 1, the 6 of Cups card. Okay, if you think that your relationship is a divine soulmate kind of relationship, then definitely choose this card. And if you think like you both have some sort of past life relationship, you have some sort of family kind of relationship, then definitely choose pile number 2. Or you can choose anyone with your intuition, like whatever intuition telling to you that which card is just making you attractive towards them. Okay, so choose it. And this is pile number 1, this is pile number 2. I hope that you are ready with it, right? Okay, so let's get started with the pile number 1, the 6 of Cups card. So hi my beautiful pile number 1 people, if you choose this 6 of Cups, the beautiful card which is always telling about the soulmate relationship, then yes, this reading belongs to you. And in today's reading we will check about the first and next time with your partner, first and next time. So this is a general reading, as you all know. If this video resonates to you, thank you so much. It will be a great pleasure for me. So definitely you have to subscribe this channel and comment down below whatever you like and whatever you don't. I will appreciate all the comments and I will definitely like them. Okay, so first card we have the 6 of Pentacles. Oh my goodness, like 6 of Cups and 6 of Pentacles. Okay, so maybe you and your partner is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and in today's reading I will definitely tell you with whom you will make a new physical relationship. It will be your past partner, it will be your old partner, or it will someone new, like someone special new. Okay, then second card we have King of Pentacles. My goodness, like we have earth energy on our peak high. Let me pull out some more cards also. Then we have Sun. Oh god, like Sun card, we have Sun card. That means you and your person belongs to the group of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius maybe. Okay, you or your person. Then what we have 6 of Wands. Okay, 6 6 6. So here I am seeing 6 6 and 6. So maybe your person will just love these kind of positions, like 69 or the 6 or something. Okay, just kidding. I'm whatever intuition I'm getting here, I'm telling to you, like straight and forward. Okay, so I'm seeing 6 6 6 here. Maybe you and your partner having the destiny number, or maybe your future number or your lucky number is 6 maybe. Okay, or your birth number is 6, or your month on which you are just birth, so that will be the month of 6th month. That means June month, fiery June month. Okay, let me pull out one more card and then we will check from the different deck. Okay, then we have the Queen of Wands card. Okay, Queen of Wands, again Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, more fire here. Maybe you and your partner is earth and fire combination. Your person belongs to Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you can. Okay, the bottom of the deck we have the card of Hierophant. It is a card of Taurus people. So maybe you or your person is a Taurus. Again, They're the same earth sign, so I'm seeing a connection between fire and earth. Okay, now let me pull out some more cards from this deck. This is the beautiful sexual tarot deck. Okay, so we have the two cards here. So we have the death card and we have the knight of pentacles. Okay, so I'm seeing, very first thing I would like to tell you guys, not more than 15 days, not more than 15 days you will have your first time or the next time with your partner. Yeah, I'm not seeing that the old person, I'm not seeing any kind of old person. I'm seeing someone very new, like very new, very rich. He's like a daddy. Why I'm telling you a daddy? Because this partner have the beautiful feelings for you, the beautiful physical cravings for you. Because we have the card of King of Pentacles, right? King of Pentacle card is sometimes very rigid, ruthless also. But I'm seeing this person will definitely give their almost each and everything. Like they will love to give you sex vibes, or they will definitely love to kiss you, like kiss your neck or hold from your back also. Because we have this Knight of Pentacles card, and again we have King of Cups card also. So we have two kings, or we have a queen also. I'm seeing really very passionate, fiery copulation going on. Okay, then we have the Star card. Okay, Aquarius people, maybe you or your partner is Aquarius. Okay, then we have two more cards. We have the High Priestess and we have the Six of Cups. Here I'm seeing whatever the current scenario, see, we have the Ten of Wands card also there. Like I'm seeing you or your partner are just missing those memories, like whenever you just doing that moment. I'm not seeing any kind of freshly start, like I'm not seeing any kind of freshly start. For some people it will be for sure a fresh new phase, but for some people, like for just a little bit of people, just a little bit group of people, I'm seeing that the old person will definitely come and kiss you. Like they will definitely love to, you know, touch your boobs, or like kiss your neck, or just they will definitely like to, you know, drink that breast milk also. So they will definitely love to, you know, love to kiss you, love to hug you, because they feel you are the only one who is always there for loving them, who are not just their sexual partner but their soul partner. That means the soulmates, as we have the card here. Okay, so next time, I'm seeing the next time for some people and the first time for many more people. I'm seeing so let's check about for the some people like the group number 1 people who having these kind of cravings for their partner. I'm seeing maybe the energies become vice versa. Maybe you have these kind of feelings. So you are imagining and missing that old days when you was together with your partner and you was you know, doing these kind of sexual fantasies, these kind of sexual activities, like kissing each other and making that scenario very beautiful. Okay, so I'm seeing these kind of things. And for some people who having their first time with their partner, I'm seeing for these people you will definitely date a new romantic partner who will be a very younger from you. I'm not seeing any kind of olding, like adulting type of phase. I'm seeing a very young energy, very fresh and very young energy, who will definitely love to have sex with you. And here we have the King of Cups card. So this person have a beautiful eye on you. Maybe this person know you about from past many time, but they are not able, like they are not feeling comfortable, or they are not feeling good for telling you all these feelings. But whenever you will give them all the rights, like each and every right. They will definitely drawn you to a ride, a beautiful ride where you and your partner is just there. Okay, so that will be for sure happening in some days. I'm seeing for sure 15 days for some people, 2 months, and for some people more than 20 days. That's it. This is the thing. Okay, I'm seeing a power passionate copulation in between you both, guys. Power, passionate, beautiful, and very very some kind of juicy. Can you see? Here is the same card and here is the same card. This person will love to, just grabbing some sort of liquidy and then just licked it from your body. So definitely this person will love these things. And from this bottom of the deck, I'm seeing any kind of copulation from the outside from the boundaries also. Maybe you and your partner will love to have sex in the bushes or in the trees, in under the trees and under the bushes, and definitely they will love to see you naked also. Okay, because in this card we are seeing like naked people with some clothes. Here is also the thing, here is also the thing, and they will bring you to your best way, like best way. Okay, I'm seeing here. Okay, let me pull out some more cards from this beautiful love oracles. We have worthness. Yeah, this is the thing, I was telling you. Like, they will definitely be able to feel the comfortable worthiness with you. They will definitely love to have fun with you, and this will not be for sure for a little bit of time. That will be for sure for about 1 hour, or maybe 2 hour, or maybe a whole night, or maybe this person don't want a short term of commitments. This person want a marriage, because I'm seeing the sun card is here. So this person want marriage with you also. Okay, so definitely, yeah, definitely, for sure, yes, in next 15 days, 20 days, and 2 months also, you will definitely having sex with your old partner. For some people I'm seeing the old partner, and for some people I'm seeing the new one who is coming with the full intensity, full emotions, full sexual thoughts for you, and they will definitely love you. They want a beautiful long-term commitment. Okay, long-term commitment means marriage, kids, family, each and everything. Okay, so this is all about today's reading, guys. I hope you will like this video, and subscribe to this channel and comment down below whatever the next request you have. So definitely I will make a video for that topic also. Okay, love you a lot. Bye. Hi my beautiful pile number 2 people. So if you are belonging to this group, pile number 2, if you are choosing this 10 of cups card, then this readings belongs to you guys. I hope you will like this video and enjoyed it a lot. You will enjoyed it a lot. If yes, then please subscribe to this channel and give us your love by liking this video. Okay, let me check from your cards that what will be the coming options for this reading, for this video. Okay, so we have sun card. My goodness, pile number 1 people having the same sun card, and now you also have, guys. Then we have 2 of pentacles, and we have the page of pentacles. Okay, let me pull out some more cards also. 7 of cups and the moon card. Okay, like next and first time with your partner, definitely you will gonna do next time with your known partner. Known, beautiful, handsome, sexy person with whom you will definitely love to have these kind of fun time, these kind of very romantic, seductive and beautiful time. I'm seeing a person which is younger than you. Like, I'm not seeing any kind of small age gap. I'm seeing a long age gap distance. Maybe you are married or this person is married. Okay. And yeah, definitely yes. Okay. And you will definitely feel some sort of connection with this partner. That's why you are choosing this 10 of cups card. Okay. So let me pull out some more cards also, then we will check what is the okay. We have 8 of wands. Not bad, not bad. It will be beyond your illusions, like it will be really very sexy, it will be really very hot, it will be really very juicy at that moment. This one, 9 of wands, very passionate, very fiery, very complicated, but very seductive. And we have 9 of wands, again the fiery card here. It will be definitely very very fiery, passionate and sexy. You love this person a lot. Hanged Man also we have. Bottom of the deck we have Aquarius, the star card. Okay. Okay, my beautiful people, here I'm seeing the important thing which I have to tell you in this reading. I'm seeing there will be some sort of frustration, some sort of disturbances, some sort of juggling phase, confused juggling phase definitely will gonna happen. I'm seeing any kind of confusion which will definitely come from your mind. I'm not seeing from your partner, but definitely from your side. Like you will be confused at that moment when this person will tell you na that let's have some sex together, let's have some fun time together, let me know you better, like in a better way. You will definitely be confused, like what should I have to do next? Should I have to should I have to do all these kind of things which he or she is telling to me, or should I have to wait for this? Like should I have to do what my heart says to me, or should I have to do what my mind says to me? Because your mind will tell you no and your heart will tell you yes. Okay, so that will be a really very confused moment for you, because you have some sort of age gap also. I'm seeing you are the person who is watching this video right now, you are maybe older than them, and your person is very younger with you. Okay, they will you also have some sort of confusion that what I'm creating any kind of deception with my husband or with my person or with my wife. Okay, or this will be good because the age gap, age related distance we both have is really very big problem in this relationship. But then you will definitely be agree with this proposal, and you will be definitely be fine, feel with the beautiful emotions, with the beautiful romantic emotion with yourself. You will definitely book a room in some sort of resort. I'm seeing some sort of resort, some sort of luxurious place. Can you see here a beautiful things, like a beautiful cozy room again. Okay, you will definitely make a beautiful plan also, like a hangout plan, or maybe any kind of holiday plan, that we will go their place and definitely know each another sides, and then you will make some sort of beautiful romances kind of things, like this person will feel beautiful with you, they will love to have sex with you, they will kiss your neck, they will touch your hips, they will suck your boobs, and definitely they will feel some sort of naughtiness with you also. Okay, they just love your breast part. Can you see here is this person is seeing the breast part, here is also seeing, here is also seeing, here is also seeing, and here is also seeing. Okay, so I'm seeing that this person will definitely love your breast part, where you definitely be feeling very uncomfortable in the beginning, but after some time, like after 2-3 kisses or 4-5 smooches, etc., you will definitely be feel very very blessed with this person, because this person will definitely calm your emotions and love you, or some sort of, I'm seeing a beautifulness in this relationship. This person will slowly down, like slowly see you or touch you, and I'm seeing some sort of smoothness here, some sort of smooth soft texture here, when you will start like kissing each other or hitting each other, or like sucking each other in a very smooth way, like in a very very smooth way. But then definitely it will be happen like slowly gradually. I'm seeing that it will be for sure with a, you know, passionate kind of thoughts, like very passionate kind of thoughts. This person will love to have cuddle with you, this person will love to touch you, this person will love to kiss you, and definitely this is happening in next month. I'm seeing July last week or August last week. Like whenever you are watching this video, this is a timeless video, whenever you are watching this video, it will happen next to next in 1 to 1.5 month. Okay, 1.5 month. Yeah, it will be very beautiful scenario. Like you will be feel satisfied with them, you will feel very beautiful with them. And we have the serenity. Yeah, definitely you will surrender yourself with your partner. Okay, you will feel love with them, you will feel secure with them, and you will feel some sort of beautifulness also. Okay, so this is all about today's reading. I hope you will like this video and subscribe this channel, and also comment down below whatever you like and whatever the future request from your side. I will definitely love to make video on that topic. Love you a lot, guys. Bye bye.